Many of us who claim to be born again, we are tantalized to believe Jesus. You understand what I mean by tantalized? You were tantalized to say, this Jesus, it will make your life better. He will give you a house. If you can accept Jesus Christ, you become rich. Because of you, Jesus became poor so that you can be rich. When you are tantalized like that, go and check Bible. Such preaching is not the gospel. It's another gospel. God have never introduced himself to anybody to say, if you follow me, I will make you rich. The prophet of old never preached such message. The apostles of old never preached such message. In fact, actually the gospel is meant for the poor. And when the rich come to follow Jesus, they say, let's first of all deal with your earthly riches. Go and sell them all. Become poor so that you can become teachable. So that kind of gospel you will believe. No. Do you understand me? The gospel we preach today, that once you have money, we'll be thinking of making you a pastor and start a parish in your house.